Hello, welcome back. Well, this morning I received an email from Diaspora. Diaspora is an alternative to the popular social network Facebook. The email says, "Hello. It looks as though you no longer want your account as you haven't used it for 120 days. I didn't realize it was that long, but I guess it is. Anyway, to ensure our active users get the best performance from this Diaspora pod, we'd like to remove unwanted accounts from our database. We'd love you to stay part of Diaspora's community, and you're welcome to keep your account live if you want to." Just a side note, you would think Diaspora would be capitalized with a capitalized D. Alright, it says here also, if you want to keep your account live, all you need to do is sign into your account before this date. When you sign in, take a moment to have a look around Diaspora. Hoping to see you again. The Diaspora email robot. A robot, huh? Okay. Well, again, I didn't realize it was that long. It's been a couple months. I signed up for Diaspora this past summer. I see nothing wrong with it. It is an alternative to Facebook. But I found something very unusual and non-user friendly about this. What if that person was sick? And I have been sick for the last 10 days, not for 2 months, granted. But what if the person had a serious illness, family emergency, or maybe a soldier being deployed overseas who won't be able to use his computer for a few months or maybe a year? What are those people supposed to do? I wouldn't have minded so much, except this email was from a robot and not from a live person. It seems like Diaspora is trying to take away one of my freedoms, my freedom to choose when I post something on Diaspora. Now, they do say they do want me to stay part of the Diaspora's community, and it says I'm welcome to keep the account live if I want to, and that's nice. I chose to fix this problem this way. I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe.